Hello guys, a good news is coming from Mona Lisa's end from the Bigg Boss house, and it is that she is getting married to her boyfriend Vikrant. We have all the updates for you, and we have Arushi with us who will tell us more about it.
So Kriti, finally we saw Mona Lisa smiling in the Bigg Boss house after a long time. She has been upset for quite few days,
Yes.
and she was disoriented. She was disinterested. She just wanted to leave the house. She had grown indifferent towards the game. But once again, it seems that she is back in the game, and she's back in
Bigg
her
Boss Bigg Boss
chirpy
has
mood.
taken a serious note on her life and make her more colorful and things, right?
Yeah, because he has arranged for her wedding in the Bigg Boss house, and that does not happen quite often in the Bigg Boss house.
This is the second time we are seeing a big wedding happening inside the house. Though the last one was very artificial and it could not.
It
ended at the end.
Yeah,
So
it
let's
ended
see
after 2
how
months.
this is going to be turning.
I
right?
hope this continues for a longer time. And we saw Vikrant proposing Mona Lisa, and he even brought a ring for her, and she was all happy. She was all excited to get married inside the Bigg Boss house. She introduced the contestants to her boyfriend, and she told them that how he has proposed her. And later in the day, we saw Manu and Manveer were very happy for their friend.
So I think this season we can say that we had a little lesser number of wildcard entries, but I think Vikrant for a day or two he is also a part of the house.
Yeah,
so
and also this season we didn't see any romantic angle developing inside the house.
Probably this is the reason why this wedding
so
is
Bigg Boss decided to bring on somebody
colours,
else to bring that romantic angle. And then we saw that Bigg Boss divided the house in two groups. One was the Ladki Wala and the other was the Ladke Wala group, while Manveer and Bani are from Vikrant's side, and the other remaining ones are from Mona Lisa's side. And Manu is too happy to be at Mona Lisa's side for the obvious reasons. He is too fond of his best friend. And then we saw a little bit of differences between Manu and Vikrant's opinions, because Vikrant was speaking whatever was coming in his mind, and Manu was quite upset about it, that he cannot portray Mona in a bad light.
I really don't know. We have seen the last time we saw Vikrant on the show, he was very different with Mona and he was very angry with her. So I think maybe they are getting married, but there is something going on inside a lot of things, Yeah,
maybe though we cannot claim that he is marrying Mona Lisa on the national television just because of the rumors. But he looked like a bit insecure and possessive for Mona Lisa. But Manu is not taking that in a very good spirit. He's saying that you cannot portray a girl in a bad light, and he knows that Mona Lisa will not speak for herself.
I think which is the reason why he passed his comment to Bani that he is there as a guest and this is a task of
this is another task where you have to entertain the audience. And then we saw Vikrant getting angry with Mona Lisa over her closeness with Swami Om. He was angry that why did she allow Swami Om to apply balm on her waist when there were female contestants in the house. Somewhere he was right and somewhere he was not right, because Swami Om, being an elderly person, could not have been having those intentions. But when it is Swami Om,
a lot of things which Vikrant and Mona needs to clear out once they are out of the house.
But I think they should clear it out before getting married. Now they are getting officially married with all those ceremonies. So they should clear all these differences. Today we will see Mona Lisa finally tying knot with Vikrant, and it will be all glamour, and we'll see Mona Lisa's friends from the Bhojpuri industry coming inside the house. Stay tuned and keep watching IndianExpress.com. Thank you.